Sri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 1, OV 122. बाबा न स्वयं भाकर करीती, त्यांची तो प्रत्यक्ष भैक्षवृत्ती. ते या पिठाचे काय करीती, बाया तर किती मनात. Baba does not make chapatis. He goes about as a mendicant. What will he do with the wheat flour? The women conjectured. नाही बाईल नाही लेक, बाबा तो एकुलते एक. घरदार न संसार देख, कशास कणिक एवढी. Baba has neither wife nor child. Baba is all alone. He has no household or family. Why so much flour? एक म्हणे बाबा परमकृपाळ, आम्हा प्रीत्यर्थ तयांचा खेळ. आता ही कणिक निखळ, देतील सकळ आम्हा ते. One of them said, Baba is exceedingly kind. This Leela is only for our love's sake. Right now, he will distribute this flour entirely to all of us. करीतील आता चार भाग, एकेकीचा एक एक विभाग. ऐसे मनात मांडे देख, त्या सकळिक भाजिती. Now, he will divide it into 4 parts, one for each of us. All of them were building such castles in the air. बाबांचे खेळ बाबांसी ठावे, कोणी न तयांचा अंत पावे. परिबायांचे मनाचे उठावे, लोभे लुटावे बाबांना. Baba's sport he alone knows. No one can gauge the extent of it, but the women's greed to loot Baba arose. पीठ पसरले गोधूम सरले, जाते भिंतीसी टेकुनी ठेविले. सुपात बायांनी पीठ भरिले, नेऊ आदरिले घरोघर. The flour was spread out, and the wheat was used up. The grinding stone was placed against the wall. The flour was filled into the scuttle basket by the women, with intent to carry it to their respective homes. तेथपर्यंत बाबा काही, चकार शब्द वदले नाही. भाग करिता चार चौघीही, वदती पाही मग कैसे. Till then, Baba did not utter a single word. When the 4 of them divided the flour into 4 parts, then, folks, listen to what he said. चळल्या काय कुठे नेता, बापाचा माल घेऊनी जाता. जाशिवेवरी नेऊनी आता, पीठ तत्वता टाकाते. You are mad with greed. What are you taking and where? Do you think it belongs to your father? Now go to the boundary of the village and throw away the flour there. आल्या रांडा फुकट खाऊ, लुटाया मज धाव धाऊ. गहू माझे काय कर्जाऊ, पीठ नेऊ पाहता. You good for nothings have come running to loot me. Did you give the wheat on loan that you want to take away the flour? बाया मनी बहु चुरमुरल्या, लोभापायी फजित पावल्या. आपापसात कुजबुजू लागल्या, तात्काळ गेल्या शिवेवरी. The women moaned and fretted amongst themselves quite a lot, felt disgraced because of their greed, began to whisper amongst themselves, and hurried immediately to the village boundary. आरंभ बाबांचा कोणाही न कळे, कारण प्रथमतः काहीही न कळे, धीर धरिता परिणामी फळे, कौतुक आगळे बाबांचे. Nobody can guess the motives of Baba, because at the start no one knows what is to follow. But with patience, the result is known. Baba's marvels are distinctive.